Drivers in the US and Japan are upgrading their cars with these genius gadgets. Once you see them, you won't want to drive without them. Number 1. Tool Daily Dual Function Undercarriage Cleaner. Washing the top of your car is easy, but the real dirt hides underneath. This powerful 16-inch undercarriage cleaner connects to your pressure washer and blasts away mud, salt, and road grime from the bottom of your vehicle. With 3 extension wands, it easily reaches under trucks, SUVs, and cars without bending down. Built to handle up to 4,000 psi, it delivers strong, efficient cleaning in minutes. Flip it over, and it works as a water broom for driveways and garage floors too. Number 2. Aerogogo Tesla Model Y Self-Inflating Mattress. Road trips become way more comfortable with this Tesla Model Y camping mattress. The 5.5-inch thick design provides excellent support, turning the back of your car into a cozy sleeping space for 2 people. With one-click automatic inflation and deflation, setting it up takes seconds. It also features a built-in pillow and compact backpack-sized storage for easy travel. Waterproof IP68 materials make it perfect for outdoor adventures and camping trips. Number 3. TPARTS Frunk LED Strip for Tesla Model 3. Your Tesla's front trunk can look way cooler with this ambient LED strip. Designed specifically for the Model 3 Highland, it adds a sleek lighting effect inside the frunk whenever you open it. The flexible silicone design is waterproof and built to last. Installation is simple and requires no complicated modifications. Besides looking futuristic, it also improves visibility at night. It's a small upgrade that makes your Tesla feel even more premium. Number 4. Chemical Guys TPARTS Foam Blaster 6. Professional car washes use thick foam to safely remove dirt, and now you can too. The TPARTS Foam Blaster connects directly to your garden hose and sprays rich, thick suds across your entire vehicle. The foam helps lift dirt from the paint to prevent scratches while washing. It's incredibly simple to use and works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even RVs. No pressure washer required. Number 5. Model 3 Red Caliper Covers. Want your Tesla to look sportier without expensive modifications? These red caliper covers instantly upgrade the appearance of your wheels. Designed specifically for Model 3 with 18 or 19-inch wheels, they give your brakes that high-performance sports car look. The durable design protects calipers from dust and debris while improving style. Number 6. Oracle's Sidetrack LED Lighting System. Ever struggled to see around your vehicle at night while camping or working outside? The Oracle's Sidetrack LED lighting system solves that instantly. Mounted along the sides of your vehicle, it illuminates the surrounding area with powerful LED light. Perfect for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator owners. It's great for off-roading, camping, or nighttime repairs. The lighting system blends perfectly with the vehicle's design. It's both practical and incredibly cool. Number 7. UnderCover SwingCase Truck Bed Storage Box. Truck beds are great for hauling gear, but finding small tools in them can be frustrating. The SwingCase storage box fixes that problem with a clever swing-out design. It mounts inside the truck bed and swings toward you for easy access. When you're done, simply swing it back and lock it in place. It's weather-resistant, durable, and perfect for storing tools, straps, and emergency gear. A simple idea that makes truck organization way easier. Number 8. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. Flat tires can ruin your day, unless you have this portable inflator. The Fanttik X8 Apex can inflate a tire in about 1 minute with its powerful cordless compressor. It supports up to 150 psi and works for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and more. The dual LED display clearly shows pressure levels for precise inflation. Compact and rechargeable, it fits easily in your glove box. Number 9. Nmoiss Windshield Sun Shade Umbrella. Parking in the sun can turn your car into an oven within minutes. This umbrella-style windshield sunshade blocks intense sunlight and protects your interior from heat damage. The vinyl heat shield coating reflects sunlight to keep your cabin cooler. Its foldable umbrella design makes installation incredibly fast and convenient. When not in use, it collapses neatly for storage. A simple gadget that makes summer driving much more comfortable. Number 10. WOLFBOX G930 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam. Your rear view mirror can do much more than just reflect traffic. The WOLFBOX G930 replaces your mirror with a smart 4K dash cam and backup camera system. It records both front and rear views for added driving security. The large touchscreen provides a clear digital view of what's behind your car. With GPS tracking, parking monitor, and night vision recording, it offers serious protection on the road. Number 11. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Tire pressure affects safety, fuel economy, and tire life, but most drivers rarely check it. This digital gauge makes checking tire pressure fast and extremely accurate. It measures up to 150 psi and provides readings in multiple units. The backlit LCD screen makes it easy to use even in low light. Its compact design fits easily in your glove compartment, a tiny tool that can save you money and prevent tire problems. Number 12. AstroAI Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. Winter mornings often mean dealing with frozen windshields. This heavy-duty snow brush and ice scraper helps you clear snow and ice quickly. The detachable design makes it easier to reach across larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Durable ABS and PVC materials handle tough winter conditions. The ergonomic foam grip keeps it comfortable to use even in freezing temperatures. A must-have tool for anyone driving in snowy climates. Number 13. Leather Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. Every driver knows the frustration of dropping a phone or keys into the gap between the seat and console. This clever gap filler organizer solves that problem instantly. Made from premium leather, it blocks the gap while adding extra storage space. It includes card slots and compartments for small essentials. Installation takes only seconds with no tools required. It's a tiny upgrade that makes your car feel much more organized. Number 14. 49's Split Cargo Liner for SUVs. If you travel with pets, protecting your car's cargo area can be difficult. The 49's Cargo Liner keeps your trunk clean from fur, mud, and spills. It's heavy-duty, waterproof, and designed to fit SUVs with split rear seats. The non-slip backing keeps it securely in place while driving. When it gets dirty, simply toss it in the washing machine. Perfect for pet owners who want to keep their car interior looking new. Number 15. 2026 Fuel Transfer Pump. Moving fuel manually can be messy and time-consuming. This electric fuel transfer pump makes the job quick and effortless. Powered by batteries, it pumps up to 3.8 gallons per minute through a long 51-inch hose. The automatic stop feature prevents overflows for safer use. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, and other fuels for vehicles, boats, and generators. A powerful tool that makes fuel transfer simple and clean. If you enjoyed these smart car gadgets, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more awesome tech upgrades.